Hey travelers, I'm Chung, your local guide here in Vietnam. Today's episode of One Day, One Local. I'm meeting someone very special, a young Gen Z, a student who lives and studies right here in Hanoi. He's going to show us the side of city you won't find in any guidebooks. Let's go and meet him. Yeah, just kidding everybody. This is Nam. He's still a student at Hanoi University. Born and raised in Hanoi. He loves street food, photography, and coffee.
Hi everyone, I'm Nam. Today I take you to my favorite spot in Hanoi. Let's go!
Wow, this looks delicious.
This is bún riêu. One of my favorite breakfasts is a traditional noodle soup with crab paste, tomato, tofu, and a bit of chili.
So, is this your go-to breakfast like every morning?
Not every morning, but eat this maybe 2 or 3 times a week. It's fast, tasty, and cheap, perfect for students.
I can see why. It smells really good. This is how a typical Gen Z students in Hanoi start their days. Quick, tasty, and super affordable.
I remember eating this before going to high school. Every day, my mom would give me $30,000, and I get this ring symbol with the best memory.
Alright, first of the day, big success. Let's see where Nam takes us next.
So this is one of my favorite places in Hanoi. Let's come inside and I show you.
So we are at one of Hanoi's most unique creative cafes, a favorite hangout for local Gen Z, right?
This place is more than a coffee shop. It's where I come to chill, work on my laptop, or just get inspired.
You can tell this vibe is very Instagrammable, perfect for your generations. So what are you getting today?
I go with coconut coffee, refreshing and kind sweet. What about you?
Classic egg coffee, of course. If you've never heard of it, egg coffee is Hanoi specialty. It's made of whipped egg yolk and sweetened condensed milk. Pour over strong Vietnamese coffee. It's rich, creamy, and unforgettable.
And coconut coffee is with my Vietnamese Thai coffee mixer with coconut cream.
In Hanoi, cafes like this have become creative hubs where the younger generations meet, share ideas, and escape from the hustle of city life. Delicious as always. Now that we have our caffeine fix, let's get moving.
Hope you're ready. Let's go to the next stop. Anh thử chè sen đá ở đây đi. Em ăn ở đây từ hồi cấp 3 đến giờ đấy.
Anh cho em 3 cốc nhá. Sen đá đỗ đỏ với lại chè đỏ sen. Nhầm tất cả. Lotus seed sweet is a traditional Vietnamese dessert that made from boiled lotus seed and rock sugar. Just like delicate flavorful, often served Chung for the refreshing treat. This dessert is loved for its simplicity, health benefits, and calming properties.
Có lẽ nhiều vị chén ở đây không phải là vì một nơi nổi tiếng mà nó đã làm một ghi điểm độc đáo với người dân thủ đô bao năm nay, trong đó có em.
Và đó cũng là điều anh luôn hy vọng rằng những người trẻ của như em sẽ yêu Hà Nội theo cách của chúng mình. Vậy tiếp theo đây anh bạn trẻ của chúng ta sẽ đưa anh đi nơi nào?
Một nơi được coi là trái tim của cả thành phố em. Đây chính là nơi cuối cùng em muốn dẫn anh đến hôm nay. Hồ Gươm, nếu Hà Nội có trái tim, em nghĩ nó sẽ đập ở đây.
This is Hoàn Kiếm like the heart of Hanoi. Some say, if you want to understand this city, just sit here and watch it breathe.
You know, when I was in 4th grade, I heard your story, the magic squad. King Lela give it back to a turtle right there. Yes. At that time, I thought it was a fairy tale, but now I think it's what makes Hanoi magical.
Every religion carries the soul of a city. Hoàn Kiếm means return the sword, and this place, for generations, has been a symbol of peace and wisdom.
And on Sunday, it's changing heaven, live music, street food, and people dancing. And yes, lots of Instagram moments too.
But more than that, it is where the old Hanoi meets the new one. And thus harmony is what makes this city unforgettable.
For me, Hanoi is not just city. It's a feeling. And here at the lake, you feel its mood.
And that's why we travel, not just to see the places, but to feel the story. So, would you like to explore Hanoi with me next time? There's a lot more waiting for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next journey.